Third grade builder number 28. We're going to add 607 plus 33. We start in the ones place. 7 plus 3 makes 10, so that's 1 10 and 0 ones. Then 1 plus 3 is 4, and 6 plus nothing is 6. So we have a sum of 640. Now we're going to subtract 906 minus 78. We start in the ones place. 6 minus 8, I can't do that. I've got more on the floor, so I'm going to go next door, but nobody's home, so we go to the hundreds. I'm going to take one of these hundreds. Now I've got 8 hundreds. I'm going to turn it into 10 tens. Now I can take one of my tens, so I'm going to get one of these tens. I have 9 tens, and that makes 16 ones. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus nothing is 8. So our difference is 828. Now our multiplication facts. 0 groups of 5 is 0. 5 groups of 7 or 7 groups of 5 would be 35. 10 times 1 is 10. 5 times 4, count by 5s 4 times, and we get 20. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 groups of 4 is 0. 2 groups of 9 is 18. 1 group of 9 is 9. 2 groups of 5 is 5, 10. And 10 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, we get a product of 20. Our repeated addition section, we're going to write the multiplication sentence that represent this repeated addition. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 6, and 7 groups of 6 equals 42. Now we're going to make an array using these 3 sets of 9 dots. So the first set, I'm going to take those 9 dots and put them in a nice row. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to take these 9 dots and put them in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these 9 dots and make a third row. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows of 9, and if we count all those up, we have 27. Jamal has 3 pairs of tennis shoes, 2 pairs of boots, 4 pairs of dress shoes, and 1 pair of flip-flops. How many pairs of shoes does Jamal have in all? So this is an addition number line here. We start with the 3 pairs of flip-flops, and then we have 3 pairs of tennis shoes. Then we have our 2 pairs of boots, so we're going to add 2. 1, 2. And then he also has 4 pairs of dress shoes, so I need to go up 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my arrow is going to point to the 9. And then we've got to add 1 more pair of flip-flops. So 1 more would be right here. So we started with 3. We added 2 more. And then we added 4 more. And then we added 1 more. And 3 plus 2 more was 5, plus 4 more makes 9, plus 1 more equals 10. Okay, now our perimeter, our missing side, we're going to add up the sides that we have. We have 8 plus 4 plus 10, and 8 plus 4 makes 12, and 12 plus 10 would be 22. And then if our perimeter is 33 for the whole thing, then we're going to take away those 3 sides, which is 22, and we'll find our missing number. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, so that's 11. So this missing side right here would be 11. And I know that's true because if I added 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 10 is 22, and then if I add the 11 more right here, 22 plus 11 more would give me 33. My number line, between 0 and 20, I know this middle line is 10, and between 0 and 10, in the middle is 5, so we're counting by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm going to fill these numbers in on our number line. The 3 would come here between the 0 and the 5. The 29 would come right before the 30. And 88 would be right over here between 85 and 90. Now we're going to use that to round. Is 3 closer to the 0 or to the 10? It's closer to 0. Is 29 closer to 20 or 30? 29 is closer to 30. Is 88 closer to 80 or 90? 88 is closer to 90. And last, our vocabulary. Equal is to have the same amount or value. The answer when we multiply is called a product. A set of items arranged in rows and columns, just like we have up here. That's an array. It's like our array cities that we just made. Means twice as much, or to multiply by 2. That is to double. And a whole number multiplied together with another number to make a third number is called a factor.